Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to video. And today we're going to show you on how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to launch your Sweatcoin application on your device. Okay, that is right. Okay, here it is. Okay, it is very important to know that you can't get Robux here directly using this application. But of course, you have to go to bid and then win the gift card here. Because you can use this gift card when you want to redeem something on Amazon. And before you begin the gift card redemption procedure, it is important to know that you can use Amazon Roblox gift card to earn Robux. Of course, you just have to go to Amazon and then go to digital item page pin code and then go to your Roblox browser and then go to game card. Okay, and then copy the pin code and then type the pin code into the space provided and click redeem. And that is the main goal is of course go to the bid and then do your best to win any gift card here. And then go to Amazon and redeem your Amazon gift card and buy Robux. So that is again, you can't get Robux directly from this application, but you can redeem and get Robux by just opening a gift card in which you can use when you go to Amazon application. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful quick how-to videos next time. Adios.